Assalamualaikum and hi. Today we are going to present about Ramli Food Processing Sendirian Berhad.
Firstly, I will present about the company which is Ramli Food Processing. As we know, this company are frozen and fast food company that founded by Datuk Dr. Haji Ramli and Datin Hajah Shilasiah at 1984. So currently their children which is Encik Muhammad Zaharin and Puan Siti Ayu are the one that involved in the board of director of the company. Other than name of the founder, the word Ramli also acronym as below. To simplify the story behind this successful enterprise, it is when Datuk Haji Ramli decided to create a halal certificate meat source of all Muslim consumer after known that fresh meat suppliers are not halal. Their goods have already shipped to Thailand, Singapore, Bangladesh, Vietnam, and also Indonesia. While in Malaysia now has about 16 Ramli Halal Mart and 12 Ramli Halal Sendirian Berhad manufacturing frozen food such as burger patties, nugget, cocktail, sausage, clotted fried chicken, minced beef and other items. Aside from frozen food, the company is recognized as a stall which sell Ramli burger in every state in Malaysia. There are approximately about 25,000 Ramli burger shops around the country in 2015.
For the determinant factor of the factory location, Ramli Food Industry has chosen Taman Perindustrian Hub Halal Klang, Selangor as their planned location. Klang is one of the ideal industrial area in Malaysia. This is also based on several factors such as nearness to the market, availability of raw materials such as meat and poultry, availability of the transport, also considering the environmental policy aspect that they need to identify location which could help in reduce pollution and environmental damage.
For role of government agency in providing assistance, we found two agencies that help in providing assistance to Ramli Food Industry Sendirian Berhad, which are the first one is Malaysia Development Bank and also the second one is Invest Selangor. In the beginning of Ramli Food Company establishment after being rejected by MARA in loan application, Datuk Haji Ramli Mokni applied loan from Malaysia Development Bank. So Malaysia Development Bank playing a role in providing the financing option along with training and advisory service to the company. So next is Invest Selangor that also play important role as investment promotion agency in Ramli Food Industry Sendirian Berhad. It also contributes in the growth and expansion of the company. So Invest Selangor has provided assistance for Ramli Group in order for them to continue construction at Selangor Halal Hub in a variety of areas, primarily in the affair of local government, Syabas, PMB and also the Klang Municipal Council. And lastly, it also helped in the provide access for Ramli Group to access to the global market.
And this is a plan layout for Ramli Industries Sendirian Berhad. The first phase will focus on burger, nuggets and meatball production. And the second phase completing the 6 production lines. Each production line has a capacity of 5 tons of raw material per hour.
Next is the company have a flow pattern and provide easy and free movement of material, unloading of product and storing the semi-finished and finished product. For the employee activities, this company also consider the space, heat, light, ventilation and noise. Lastly, for location, it located to efficient seaport and also world-class international airport by a network of a well-maintained highway and railway.
For work environment, Ramli Food Industry Sendirian Berhad has developed a big nation high performance plan at Selangor Halal Hub Pulau Indah. This high-tech plant's development covers 8 acres, including the main office and administrative facility. The remaining 6 acres are divided into numerous sections, including high-tech waterways treatment facilities, a logistical docking port, employee or guest parking, and a security office. Ramlee work environment hybrid both machinery and manpower. The coordinating the provide chain and building distribution network has been the important thing to function efficiently in the facility. This main facility also has a range of infrastructure and amenities, including an international-grade product research laboratory, a product development department, a 300-person theatre, and a visitors viewing deck. The main plant's construction is separated into two parts. The first phase will concentrate on burger, nuggets, and meatball production, while the second phase will finish all 6 production lines. Each production line has a capacity of 5 tons of raw material per hour. This major factory is automated operate. Ramlee is handling their product with various temperature that using electricity, from high temperature to low temperature.
Industry safety for human safety in Ramlee food industry Sdn Bhd consists of several possible hazards such as physical, which is exposed to temperature fluctuation. So to control this hazard, may administrative control and engineering control, which is reduce risk by changing work processes and activities. For chemical hazard, workers may expose to chemical from packaging product. For biological hazard, since Ramlee production use meat and poultry as raw material, so the workers may be affected by microbial pathogen. So the best way to control this is by wearing personal protective equipment (PPE), including such respirators and gloves. And the last is overdoing the same task repeatedly in the factory may lead to bad posture practice, which is ergonomic. To control this, providing employees appropriate supporting equipment like back braces and retraining in correct posture. For the food safety, Ramlee Group committed in ensuring the safety and hygiene of their product food by striving to get the guidelines that meet standard of Ministry of Health. And now, they successfully obtained GMP and Mesti certified by recognition from Ministry of Health Malaysia. And they also have obtained halal recognition from JAKIM in accordance with regulation. Meat-based products that are destined to Malaysia must have certified halal.
So for the material handling that available in the company, especially at subsidiary Ramlee Food Processing Sdn Bhd, is the first one is the conveyor belt. So conveyor belt help to ensure that raw materials and also the products can be transported from one location to another in more effective. And next is two-wheel hand truck. So two-wheel hand trucks in a Ramlee Food company is actually typically deals with large heavy boxes of products and also the raw material. So by using the hand truck can help in pushing and also pulling them from one place to another place efficiently. And next is platform truck. So platform truck is quite similar with the hand trucks because it also used to make work easier in Ramlee Food company and also to smooth the transport of product and also the raw materials in the company. So these two types of material handlings also avoid the ergonomic hazard that might occur during handling the heavy load. So number 4 is the automated guided vehicles that manage to help in, the first one is for the storing raw materials in the warehouse locations. It also helps in delivery materials to production line, loading and unloading batch retort sterilizer, pick up and drop off at the end of the line, and also as the automated trailer loading and unloading. So next is shelving. So shelving system may help in manage the production line to be more efficient in the factory. And it also to make efficient. And last one is palletizer. So Ramlee Food Processing are managed to use the palletizer to handle boxes and cases before combining them into single unit support by pallet.